Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about not nothing related to technology, but we are going to talk about a new project which is from Alphabet. So that is the parent company of Google. So this company Alphabet has recently launched a new project which they are working for more than 2 to 3 years back. The project is named as Project Mineral. So basically we are going to talk about this Project Mineral, like what are its main motives and everything in this video. So the first thing is which you have to know is the base thing is Alphabet is a parent company of Google, and they used to work on different projects, and so this is like a small intro. So coming to the next thing is about this Project Mineral. So what this Project Mineral does. So this Project Mineral is purely is based on the research on agriculture. So in the sense there is a huge team on back of this project who are constantly working on to make some improvements in the field of agriculture. So this is the main aim, because the first thing is why this project came into existence. So that is what the first question is. So for this, what is the two answers? There is two main reasons for a company coming up with this project. So the first thing is the need, in the sense the demand for food around the world. In the sense, in one side the technology is going on, in the other side the population is growing on, deforestation, global warming, and so on so is going on. But on the other side, the need for food, the demand for food is constantly keep on rising up. So keeping that one thing in mind, so they can give some lots of additional things. And coming to the second main reason is, if you take any technologies or anything in each field which is around in this world, this technology has made a huge impact. In the sense, there is some new technologies with help of AI or IoTs or VR, any new technologies has been added in all areas. But whereas if you go for agriculture, still lots and lots of people in different countries, they used to follow their historical ways. So they want to do some revolutions in the field of agriculture. So keeping these two main reasons, they have made up, they have come up with this project. So in this project, the main aim is they have to the main motive of this project is they want to analyze each and every crop which is going to be available there in that field. So in the sense, suppose if you're going for paddy fields or anything, their main aim is to analyze each and every paddy crop. In the sense, they want to analyze each and every crop or each and every plant. So why? Because this each plant analysis and research will come to a conclusion what is the need for those plants. So keeping those things in mind, when the required need is sufficient for those plants, then they'll give us a huge output. So huge output in the sense the need for food will automatically be decreased. So keeping that thing in mind, they are purely working on this Project Mineral. So for this, what is the first step? What they have done is, this Alphabet has collaborated with an entrepreneur in food and industrial. So that is this Dr. Elliot Grant. So with this entrepreneur, they have collaborated a team working in this project, and they have come up with a solution, a new robot named as Plant Buggy. So this is a new robot which is being brought up. So what this robot's main use and main need is, this robot is going to do all those analysis stuffs. It is going to analyze each and every plant which is going to be available on your field. So this is the base thing what they have done. This project is now in the starting process. In the sense, they are we can say they are in step 1 or step 2. In the sense, they are in the beginning stage. So as a solution to the beginning stage, they have come up with this Plant Buggy. So this is what the first thing is. So with help of this robot, what they are going to do here is, how this robot works is, suppose if you go for paddy, for example, I'm going with paddy for this full video. So if you go for paddy, if you're keeping one paddy in this row, maybe in this row, and you're keeping second paddy in this row, you're keeping this much distance, then the robot will be going on in this gap. So this is what the base idea here. So the robots will having its legs and everything, it will be just rolling out in its dedicated line. That's it. So whenever this robot is moving on its dedicated line, it will start analyzing the growth and the sufficient needs, the mineral needs and everything of those plants. So on doing this all things, we will come to know a full data about that full field. So that is what this big data and everything. So you can just analyze each and every plant, whether it has any affected by insects, or there is any pesticides, or if there is any problem or anything. then you can come up with a equal solution for that, like how to reduce those like problems. Then you can get the efficient need, like you can get the good output out of your field. So this is what the base idea here. And you can also use this for genetics as well, in the sense you can know about the genetics of plants, and you can even know the soil natures, like if there is any problem in the soil or knows, like if there is addition and if there is a sufficient amount of minerals and so they can analyze everything on this. So this is what the base idea, how this project and everything works. So and the final thing is like what is going to be on the future of these plants. So in future the company is planning to come up with lots and lots of new solutions with using technology. So that's what the main thing is. It may be AI, VR, or any technologies you want, but they purely want some technology stuffs to have used in this agriculture, so that there might be a good revolution in this agriculture area. So that is what the main thing. And this full process they named it as like computational agriculture, in the sense like they're using computers, robotics and so they just currently named it as computational agriculture. But in future, like I personally think like this would be a huge success, because like there is a huge need, like everyone knows there is a need for food in day-to-day basis. So when this needs start decreasing, there will be a good things, and they can give some good amount of minerals and everything. And the main thing is why they came up with this project mineral. So this is what amazing. Like if you take a human body, there might be some minerals like zinc, iron, magnesium, calcium and so, where these minerals you can't achieve from your body itself, in the sense your body can't segregate some amount of minerals. So for getting those minerals, what basically we used to do is we'll rely on plants or animals. So this is what the base idea is. But if you go like the major part is purely on plants. For iron and everything, you will go for plants only, most probably. So in those cases, like keeping those things in mind, like plants, like fruits, vegetables, you can go for any sort of things. But at last, for getting those minerals, you do rely on plants, in the sense you rely on agriculture. So keeping those things in mind, they have come up with this name Project Mineral. So this is how the name came. So this is like full thing on how this process is working on right now on this Project Mineral. So this is the end of this video, and the main thing is they have officially released these stuffs on their blog. I'll put the links in the description. It is available on Medium as well. I'll put the links in the description. I would suggest you to have a look to it. So like if you're a farmer or a scientist or maybe like breeders in plants and everything, you can have a look through it and you can get good amount of info. So that is what my personal suggestion. And if you have any doubts related to this, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope so you like this video. If like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.